Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study hepatitis B virus. Coming towards the definition of hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of liver. The condition can be self-limiting or can progress to fibrosis, cirrhosis or liver cancer. The causes of hepatitis may be viral or non-viral. Viral hepatitis includes hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. The non-viral causes of alcoholic include giant cell hepatitis, ischemic hepatitis, non-alcoholic fatty liver hepatitis, autoimmune hepatitis, toxic and drug-induced hepatitis and alcoholic hepatitis. Hepatitis B is an infectious illness caused by hepatitis B virus, which infects the liver of humans. More than 2 billion people have been infected with hepatitis B virus, and this includes 350 million chronic carriers of the virus. The transmission of hepatitis B virus results from the exposure to the infectious blood or body fluids such as semen or vaginal fluids, while viral DNA has been detected in the saliva, tears, and urine of chronic carriers with high titer DNA in their serum. Perinatal infection is a major route of infection in endemic. Other risk factors for developing hepatitis B virus infection include working in a healthcare setting, transfusions, dialysis, acupuncture, and tattooing. However, hepatitis B virus cannot be spread by holding hands, sharing eating utensils or drinking glasses, kissing, hugging, coughing, sneezing, or breastfeeding. The acute illness causes liver inflammation, vomiting, jaundice, and rarely death. The chronic hepatitis B may eventually cause cirrhosis and liver cancer. The infection is preventable by vaccination, so that vaccination is available. Hepatitis B is an hepatinovirus. It belongs to Hepatina family of viruses. It has a circular genome composed of partially double-stranded DNA. The virus replicates through an RNA intermediate from the form by reverse transcriptase. Replication takes place in the liver. The blood test proteins and antibodies are used to diagnose the infection. एंटीजन और एंटीबॉडीज दोनों को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है डिटेक्शन के लिए. Coming toward the classification, it belongs to the family Hepatinaviridie. Two genesis are present. Orthohepatinoviruses includes hepatitis B virus, and avihepatinovirus includes the hepatitis B virus. Coming toward the morphological characteristics of hepatitis B virus, it has lipid envelope. It has icosahedral nucleocapsid, the core composed of protein. The nucleocapsid encloses the viral DNA. The DNA polymerase that has reverse transcriptase activity is present. The outer envelope contains embedded proteins very into susceptible host. The virus is one of the smallest enveloped animal viruses that its size is 42 nanometer. It may exist in three forms. Spherical form is of size 22 nanometer, tubular form is of 22 nanometer size with varying length, double walled spherical which have a size of 42 nanometer, that is called dense particle. Hepatitis B virus does not grow in the conventional culture system. Limited production of virus and its protein can be obtained from the several cell lines transferred with the hepatitis B virus DNA. The hepatitis B virus has been cloned in bacteria and yeast. The chimpanzee is susceptible to the experimental infection and can be used as laboratory model. Hepatitis B virus is relatively heat-stable virus, viable in the room temperature for long periods at 60 degrees centigrade for 10 hours. Heating can reduce its infectivity. It is susceptible to chemical agents like hypochlorine and glutaraldehyde. Coming toward the symptoms and illness, acute infection with hepatitis B virus is associated with acute viral hepatitis. the loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, body aches, mild fever, dark urine, and then processes to the development of jaundice. Itchy skin has been an indication as a possible symptom of hepatitis virus types. All hepatitis virus types. मतलब कि तमाम हेपेटाइटिस की वायरल इन्फेक्शन में इटची स्किन जो है कॉमन सिम्टम है. उसके अलावा जो दूसरे इसमें सिम्टम्स होते हैं वो ऊपर में स्टडी किए, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट, नोसिया, वोमिटिंग एटसेट्रा. Fulminant hepatic failure may arise. The infection may be entirely asymptomatic and may go unrecognized. The chronic infection with hepatitis B may be either asymptomatic or may be associated with chronic inflammation of the liver, that is called chronic hepatitis. The extrahepatic manifestation of the hepatitis B are present in 1 to 10% of the hepatitis B infected patients and include serum sickness like syndromes, acute necrotizing vasculitis, membranous glomerulonephritis, and papular acrodermatitis of the childhood. Coming towards its laboratory diagnosis, the detection of the hepatitis B virus infection involves serum and blood test that either viral antigens or antibodies are detected. The hepatitis B surface antigen is most frequently used test. Hepatitis B core, in which hepatitis B core antigen is used. Another test include hepatitis B core antigen, hepatitis B C and the IgM antibodies to the hepatitis B core anti-HBC IgM are available. HBeAg is a host serum. In a host serum is associated with much high rates of viral replication and enhanced infectivity. A person negative for hepatitis B surface antigen but positive for anti-hepatitis B antibodies have either cleared an infection or has been vaccinated previously. The individual who remains hepatitis B surface antigen positive for at least 6 months are considered to be hepatitis B carriers. Carrier of the virus may have chronic hepatitis, which would be reflected by elevated serum alanine aminotransferase, also called ALT. PCR tests have been developed to detect and measure the amount of hepatitis B surface hepatitis B virus. Coming toward the treatment, the acute hepatitis B infection does not usually require treatment because most adults clear the infection spontaneously. On the other hand, treatment of the chronic infection may be necessary to reduce the risk of cirrhosis and liver cancers. Although none of the available drugs can clear the infection, they can stop the virus from replicating, thus minimizing the liver damage. These are the antiviral drugs that include Epivir, Hepcludex, etc. The immune system modulates interferon alpha 2A and PE-gylated interferon alpha 2A. Coming toward the prevention, the vaccination is available. The infants born to mother known to carry hepatitis B can be treated with antibodies to the hepatitis B virus. When given with the vaccine within 12 hours of the birth, the risk of acquiring hepatitis B is reduced up to 90%. The risk of vertical transmission to the newborn can be drastically reduced from 20 to 90%, from 20 to 90% to 5-10% by administering to the newborn hepatitis B vaccine and hepatitis B immunoglobulin within 12 hours of the birth. The following doses are also given. Second dose is given at the age of 1 to 2 months, and third dose is given at the age third and no earlier than 6 months. Thank you.